Discover the best electronics drones designed for high performance, smooth flight control, stunning aerial footage, and unmatched reliability. Whether you're a beginner exploring the skies or a professional capturing cinematic shots, these top drones offer advanced features, smart navigation, and impressive battery life to elevate every flying experience. Starting at number 1. DJI Mini 3 Drone. The DJI Mini 3 Drone, DJI Fly More Kit is a lightweight, foldable, and beginner-friendly camera drone designed for effortless high-quality aerial shooting. Equipped with a powerful 48MP camera and the ability to record stunning 4K per 60 frames per second and 4K HDR videos, it delivers crisp, clear footage both day and night thanks to its dual native ISO and f/1.7 aperture. Weighing under 249 g, it doesn't require FAA registration for recreational flying, making it perfect for travelers and hobbyists. The 3-axis gimbal, level 5 wind resistance, and long battery life, extendable up to 51 minutes with the Plus battery, ensures smooth and stable flight performance. With up to 10 km HD video transmission, creative quick shots, vertical shooting for social media, GPS return to home, precise hovering, and a beginner-friendly interface, this bundle offers everything you need, including extra batteries, a charging hub, a backpack, landing pad, 128GB SD card, and more for extended flying adventures. Number 2. DJI Air 3S Drone Fly More Combo. The DJI Air 3S Drone Fly More Combo is a powerful, feature-packed drone designed for intermediate to advanced users who want professional quality aerial footage. Its dual-camera setup allows you to capture breathtaking travel shots with creative focal lengths, delivering stunning 48MP photos and immersive 4K per 60 frames per second HDR videos with rich detail and vibrant colors. With an impressive 46-minute max flight time, you can shoot longer without battery concerns, while omnidirectional obstacle sensing ensures safe flying even in tight or complex environments. The upgraded O4 HD transmission system provides a smooth and reliable 1080p/60 fps live feed up to 20 km, enhancing control and clarity during flights. Complete with batteries, a charging hub, a landing pad, a 128GB SD card, waterproof backpack, and more, this massive bundle gives you everything needed for professional-level shooting and confident exploration. Number 3. Syma X5C4 Quadcopter Camera. The Syma X5C is a compact, budget-friendly beginner drone that's ideal for hobbyists learning to fly. It features a built-in HD camera, is almost equal to 2MP, for basic aerial photos and videos, and a 6-axis gyro stabilization system that offers relatively stable flight for casual use. It supports 360 degrees flips on demand, can fly indoors or outdoors, in mild wind, and often includes protective blade guards and flashing lights, useful for indoor flights or beginner crashes. Its flight time is short, typically around 7 minutes per battery, and it has limited control range, is almost equal to 30 to 50 meters, but for the price it gives new pilots a simple, durable, and fun platform to practice piloting and take casual aerial shots. Number 4. Ruko F11 Pro 2 Drone. The Ruko F11 Pro 2 drone is a versatile, feature-packed drone designed for beginners and professionals who want high-quality aerial imaging with easy control. Its advanced 6K camera and smooth 4K per 30 frames per second video capture deliver crisp, vibrant footage, while the 3-axis brushless gimbal ensures exceptional stability and reduces shake even in windy conditions. With 2 batteries providing a total of 70 minutes of flight time, you can enjoy long, uninterrupted shooting sessions. Intelligent GPS flight modes, including Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, Circle Fly, and Cruise Control, make capturing cinematic shots simple, even for new pilots. The drone also offers a long 10,000-foot digital transmission range, night mode for low-light adventures, and essential safety features like auto return. Packed with accessories such as a carrying case, extra propellers, and a rechargeable remote, the F11 Pro 2 delivers a premium flying experience for travel, photography, and outdoor exploration. Number 5. DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo. The DJI Mini 3 Fly More Combo, DJI-RC, is a lightweight yet powerful drone designed for beginners and enthusiasts who want high-quality aerial footage without complexity. Weighing under 249 g, it often requires no registration for recreational use, while still delivering stunning 4K HDR video and detailed 48MP photos. Its 3-axis mechanical gimbal and level 5 wind resistance ensure stable, smooth shots even in challenging outdoor conditions. With the Fly More Combo's 3 included batteries, you get up to 114 minutes of total flight time, perfect for long shooting sessions and travel adventures. The Mini 3 also supports true vertical shooting for social media-ready videos, features a 10 km HD video transmission range for clear, reliable live viewing, and includes intuitive modes like quick shots, panorama, auto takeoff/landing, and GPS return to home. Paired with the DJI-RC remote featuring a built-in 5.5-inch HD display, this bundle delivers a complete, ready-to-fly experience for capturing stunning aerial content effortlessly.